We have a rheem gas water heater model No XG48T06EN40U1 with a Honeywell gas valve. The gas valve is flashing red 9 times, which according to the cover means a chamber sensor failure, but all internet searches have failed to give us any information on that.
How long has this been going on? And how severe is the problem?
We just installed it yesterday and noticed the light this morning. We purchased it used. It doesn't seem to be causing any obvious problems, but then again we don't know what the chamber sensor is supposed to do.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
We'd like to, but that depends on what it is.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
My husband said his shower wasn't very hot, but we don't have the temperature turned up on the controls very far at all.
Hi, I'm Mike and I have 20+ years of experience in the home improvement field. I'll be glad to assist you today. The issue is either with the chamber sensor or the gas valve. Are you going to repair it yourself or just getting an idea before calling someone out?
Would be great to repair it ourselves.
Are you familiar with voltage testing and do you have a meter? It was good talking to you. I look forward to finding out that all is working.
No luck on the sensor. The old unit and new unit are identical as far as I can see. I was hoping for something to show there. When I put it back together, I could light the pilot and it stays lit and the light is blinking again.
When you installed the gas valve, did you use thread sealant, and if so, did you put the sealant in the female fittings and male fittings?
I didn't use sealant because there wasn't sealants used on the older parts. Furthermore, the gas fittings are flare fittings and the small one for the pilot had an O-ring. Therefore there shouldn't be sealant.
Just checking. Looks like plan A is the plan.
I used sealant on the main line though, as it had sealant from before.
Did you put sealant in the female fitting too or only on the male fitting?
Just the male fitting. I soap tested the joint also.
Very good.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.